NASDAQ this week has moved as similar as the previous week, where we can see the prices reached higher price levels, then bouncing back down, touching this area, which is 16,800 resistance level, and then fall down, then return it back up. So we can see it is very important for the price, which has moved to the upside and reached this great supply zone, which means a very important level for the sellers and also for the buyers. But for now, as it looks, the buyers have made to push the price even higher and reach this price level. In the weekly time frame, we can see this strong bearish candle in the previous week, and also the price has made a breakout to the downside, but it has not been confirmed as a bearish one, because this week the price will turn it back up, which means this bearish breakout to the downside is not valid one. It means the bulls are still in the game, and also they are much stronger than the sellers. So it will be very important to see what happens around this price level. But on the monthly time frame, this looks still open. The previous month has made this bullish breakout. This month we can see that the price is turning back down, and it has confirmed it, but we have around 3 more weeks until this month ends, so everything is still open. We need to see this month price not closing below 16,400. If it stays above, this will mean that the bullish breakout has been confirmed, and there is open space for the price to continue to reach higher price levels. On the weekly time frame, we can see this one hit is very important level, 16,400. The price should not go below that. If it goes, this will mean again a bearish breakout to the downside, which will open up an area to reach 16,000 as a round number. Until that happens, we can see that the price is trying to make a breakout to the upside, which means above 16,800. If it closes on the weekly time frame above, this will mean that the price will try again to attack 17,000 as a round number to make a breakout to the upside. On the daily time frame, this is much more clear and also much more visible, the very important levels. We can see that currently 16,816 is very important for the price that needs to be broken to the upside in order to continue to reach 17,000. So if the price stays here and it makes a breakout, this will need to be validated with the next candle the next day. We will see what happens. But if the price goes down and also the price closes below this one, which means 16,666, this means if the price goes down and all closes, the price could reach this one, which is 16,555, and also we will see what happens below that. If it closes below, this will mean again the price going down all the way to here 16,400. So for now everything is still open, but the bulls are pushing the price even higher, and everything is pointing that the bulls are much stronger than the sellers. But these are very important levels for now for the price that needs to be broken to the upside in order to continue to reach again 17,000 as the all-time high price level. So we will see what happens. So we will see what happens next week, and also is the price making a breakout to the upside, or it will return back down because of the selling pressure will be much higher and the bulls will lose their strength. Each day I will also make the analysis and put the analysis inside the trading community. So if you would like to join and check it every day, what happens on the market, is there any critical movements on the market on this symbol, feel free to check the trading community. The link will be below inside the description. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.